Okay guys, you guys remember the shopping video? Well, we posted that like a long time ago. If you guys have not saw that, then it will be linked in the archive. But today, we're going to be doing these eggs and coloring. So we have this, and you guys know what this is, guys. Comment down below what you guys think these are. These are actually tablets. They do not look like tablets, but they actually are. They look like medicine, but we're not going to eat them because we're going to dye. This is the dye for the egg.
We took 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and put in each of the cups. Then we're going to put a tablet in each cup that has the vinegar.
Okay, so I'm going to do this one.
Kaysen, put it in a cup.
Oh, it's orange.
Yeah, it's gonna.
Can I mix it?
Put it up in there.
Can I mix it?
Not yet. We're gonna put them in there and let them dissolve. Now we're gonna let the color kind of fizz up and dissolve.
What is this?
We're going to make sure they're dissolved, and then we're gonna put water in.
What is this?
That's to hold the egg with.
Oh, so
and Kaysen's gonna use this to hold the egg.
So the eggs are done. We're gonna try to pick it out with this. Ooh,
get them all dissolved in the vinegar. Here you go, Kaysen. Good job, buddy. Good job. Okay, we're all done mixing. Okay, Kaysen.
Okay, I'm gonna put this one in the blue. Okay, I'm
color
gonna
you
do
want
another egg.
You see, see it's not done yet, so you put it back down, and you can lift yours up. It's pretty, but it's not quite done yet.
That looks really pretty.
It is pretty.
I think it's probably gonna turn a pretty color. Let me try blue.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this one.
Oh, that's very pretty. Let's look at the red. Let's get red one.
Let's see red.
Oh,
it looks
yeah.
orange right now.
Kind of, doesn't it?
Ooh, yeah, it's pretty. Look how pretty this is.
Ooh, it's so pretty.
Yay!
Oh, it's yellow. Very nice. Later, we can put stickers and stuff like that on there. And it's to the color you think that you like it, then we can put it out here on the drying rack.
Look how pretty this is.
Oh, that is really pretty.
So, like, if I like this one, I can put it in there.
You can put it on the drying rack and let it dry. You want to do that one? Put it over here on the drying rack.
These are really pretty color. And
very nice job.
There you go. Okay, I'm gonna put my feet.
Good job, buddy. Oh, I love that one. So pretty. You like the ladybug?
Mimi. I like the yo-yo.
You like the yellow ladybug?
Yeah.
Okay, get the ladybug.
Okay,
and which egg do you want to put the ladybug on?
Green.
The green one? Okay, here's the ladybug. Stick the ladybug on the green egg.
Ooh.
Oh, how pretty. That's nice, Kaysen.
Another yellow ladybug. Okay, I'm gonna have this one and still on there.
Ah, here it goes.
Okay, I want to put mine in my stand. Which one do I want? Ooh, I want this pretty nice. Stand.
Look how pretty.
Ooh, look how pretty this is.
That's beautiful. Look at his ladybugs on his
Ooh,
egg.
I like your ladybug, boy.
How about you want to put a carrot on there or a
I want to put
bumblebee?
the carrot. I want to put the carrot on. I love carrots. Oh, I want to put a butterfly.
Like this little llama. I'm going to put him somewhere.
Wait, where's the llama?
Llama.
Llama,
Put
llama,
him
llama.
on the yellow egg.
There's like 2 things of everything.